morning, children. Today I am going to start textbook. See, BTEL textbook, semester 1. Understood, children? Open your textbook, BTEL textbook. Semester 1, class 2. Semester 1, you want to take the book. Understood, children? Semester 1. Semester 1, page number 82. I hope all got the books. So take textbook, semester 1 textbook, page number 82. Now, numbers up to 100. Page number 82, numbers up to 100. Already you learned in bridge course only, you know, children, numbers up to 100. See here. See children, Niku wants help to count the beads. As you can see, there are 3 colors. Yellow, red, blue. Understood, children? Niku wants help. So, you want to help her. Let's start counting the beads now. Let us start from yellow beads. First, you want to start yellow beads counting. You want to count yellow beads. How many yellow beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. How many yellow beads are there? 34 beads. Now we'll go to red beads. Red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Red is 33. Now which color is there? Blue color. So blue color, now you want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Blue beads 33. Understood, children? See here, once again I will repeat. Numbers up to 100. Concept is numbers up to 100. Page number 82. See here, Niku. Niku wants help to count the beads. As you can see, there are 3 colors, no children. One is yellow, red, blue. Let us start from the yellow beads. We start from the yellow beads. Yellow beads is 34. Red beads is 33. Blue beads are 33. If you count this all, you will get 100. See, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, how much? 10. 0, 1 you will carry here. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Understood, children? Help Niku to count the beads. We finished today concept. Help Niku to count the beads. We finished this. Now we will go to page number 83. Page number 83. See, when you are writing in the textbook, no children, that time you want to write the date also. See, in here, page number 82, you want to write date. With sharp pencil, you want to write. Understood? Now, exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. Page number 83. Write the number names for the following. See, the given number in the circle. You want to write the number names. Write W-R-I-T-E. Write T-H-E, the number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Names, N-A-M-E-S, names. For the F-O-R, for T-H-E, the F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Write the numbers for the following. In circle, they given numbers. With sharp pencil, take eraser and write neatly. Understood, children? Like this, in circle, they have given in the numbers in the circle. First one 97, second one 23, 54, 85, 65, 72, 43, 11. See here 97 is there. Shall I write 9, 7? It's correct, children? No, it's not correct. That is wrong. So 9 is in tens place. No, 1 to 9 is in tens place. 7 is in ones place. Ones place, tens place. Now 7 is in ones place. 9 is in tens place. 9 becomes 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. 7 is in ones place, no? So you want to write 7 only. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 97. Here also 23. In the circle, 23 is there. You want to write 2, 3. It's correct. No, it's not correct. 2 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. So 2 what will write? 2, you will write 20 because 20 tens place is there. 3 is in ones place. So 2 becomes 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. 3 becomes ones. 3 is in ones place. So you will write 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 97, 23. Now you know how to write this one. 5, 4 is there. 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. So 5 becomes 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Understood, children? Like that only you want to write this. 85. 85, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 85. F-I-V-E, 85. Now we'll go to 65. What's the number here? 65. 65. What is the spelling 60? S-I-X, 6-T-Y, 60. 5 spelling F-I-V-E, 65. Here 72. 72. It's correct. No. You want to write 72. 70 spelling A-C-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. T-W-O-2. 72. 4-3. 43. 4-3. 43. 40 spelling F-O-R-T-Y. 40. T-H-R-E-E. 43. Here 11. 11. What is the spelling 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Understood, children? Like that only you want to write the names for the following. See here. Again, shall I repeat once again? Write the number names for the following. In the circle, they given circle. In circle, numbers are there. One is 97, 23, 54, 85. For this number, you want to write the number names. First one is 97. See, once again I will repeat. Say with me, children. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. S-C-V-E-N. 7. 97. For 20 spelling, what is the 20 spelling? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 23. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. F-O-U-R. 4. 54. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. F-I-V-E. 5. 85. Here 65. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. F-I-V-E. 5. 65. Sharp your pencil and write neatly without spelling mistakes you want to write. 72. S-C-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. T-W-O-2. 72. 43. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 43. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Understood, children? Like that, you want to write the number names. Now, we will go to page number 84. Write neatly, children. I'll give 5 minutes to write. Don't do spelling mistakes. Write neatly. We'll go to page number 84. Shall I this side? Write the number names. We finished. Without spelling mistakes, you want to write and learn and write. Page number 84. Page number 84. Page number 84, what is there? Go to next page. Page number 84. Write the numbers which comes after. Already we learned in bridge course, no children. After number, before number, in between numbers. Now you know how to write before, after and all. For this, see here, the number, you don't write the number which comes to the right of the number, to the right of the number is after number. Now, write the number which comes after. See children, what I am writing now, that you want to write in the textbook. This and all don't write. Numbers already in the textbook. You want to write the numbers only. Now, after number. Write the number which comes after. Which comes after. See here, after number you want to write. Which comes right of the number. Number right of the number is after number. Number before number, left of the number is before number. Understood, children? First one. (22), 39, 63, 90, 84. See, this is right of the number, no children. Right of the number you want to write after number. After 72, what will come here? Now count 70, 71, 70, 71, 72. After 72, what will come? 73. See, understood. After 72, 73. Here, 39. After 39, 40. Say 32, 40. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. After number, you want to write after number. Now 63. 63 after number. 63 after number is 64. Here 90. 90 is there, no children. 90. After 90, what will come? 91. After 84, 85. We finished after number. Now write the number which comes before. Finish it neatly, children. See, once again I will repeat. Write the numbers which comes after. After number you want to write. Already they given 72. You want to write after. Right of the number you want to write 73. 39 after 40. 63 after 64. 90 after 91. 84 after 85. Like that you want to write. Shall I write? Now we will go to before number. Write the number which comes before. The numbers comes to the left of the number. See, after numbers always come right. Understood, children? Right of the number. After number always you want to write in the right of the number. Before number you want to write in the left of the number. Now before number means you want to write left. Left side you want to write. The number which comes to the left of the number is before number. Write the number which comes before. Before number. Understood, children? Now we will write before numbers. So for before number, we will write the number here. You want to write before number. For this number, you want to write before number. Here 68, 40, 85, 92, 59. See, for after number, we written number here, no children. Now for before number, we will write number is the here, this side. So now you want to write the before number. Before 68, what will come? Count 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Yes, 68. Before number is what? 67. 67 is the before number. Like that you want to count the numbers and write. Before 40. If you count 30 to 40, you will get the before number. Understood? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Before number is 39. After that 40. Here 85. Before number is what now? 84. 92. 91. Before number is 91. 59 here. So before number is 58. Shall I repeat once again, children? The number which comes to the left of the number is before number. See, number which comes left of the number. Left side, if any number is not there, you want to write before number. 68 before 67, 40 before 39, 85 before 84, 92 before 91, 59 before 58. Now we'll go to write the numbers which comes between. The number which is in middle of the two numbers is in between number. (72, 74, 89, 91, 28, 30, 90, 92. See, they already given before number also, after number also. Now you want to write the middle number. After 58, what will come? 59. After 58, 59. Before 60, what will come? 59. So middle number is 59. Understood, children? Like that you want to write. 72 is here, 74 is here. What is the middle number here? Which number you want to write? 72 after 73. 74 before what will come? 73. So 73 is the middle number. Here 89, 91. Which number will come? 90. 90 is the in between number. 89, 90, 91. 28, 30. Which number is middle number? In between number is after 28, 29 is in between number. Here 90, 91, 92. In between number is 91. Once again, shall I repeat, children? The number which is in middle of the two numbers is in between numbers. Understood, children? The number which is in middle number. See, this is the middle of the two numbers. Understood? This is the in between number. Middle of the two numbers is in between number. See, already given 58 here, 60. You want to write the middle number. In between number you want to write 58 after 59, 60 before 59. So in between number is 59. Here 72, 74. In between number is 73, 89, 91. In between number is 90. 28, 30. Understood, children? In between number is 29. Here 90, 92. In between number is 91. Now we will go to write the number in expanded form. When you are expanded a number using their values, it is called as an expanded form of a number. Shall I up, children? Now write the number in expanded form. Expanded form. Understood, children? What is a expanded form means? When we expanded number using their values, it is called as expanded form of a number. Now in this, already they given one example, I think. 47 examples from here. You need not to write, children. 47. See this 2-digit number. Understood, children? This is 2-digit number. 7 is in 1's place. 4 is in 10's place. 4 becomes what? 40. Plus 7 is in 1's place. So 7. 40 plus 7. What is the answer? 47. In words you want to write 40. For 4 tens like this. 4 tens, 7 ones. 4 tens plus 7 ones. This is expanded form. See, they given 47. You want to write these two methods. 4 is in 10's place now. You want to write 40. 7 is in 1's place. You want to write 7. So 40 plus 7 is equal to 47. In this side, you want to write 4 tens plus 7 ones. Understood, children? We get 40 plus 7, 47. 4 tens plus 7 ones, 47. Both the answers are also same. Now next, 28. First one, 28. How we will write, children? So easy, no? Want to expand this number. Expand this number. 8 is in which place? 1's place. 2 is in which place? 10's place. So 2 becomes what? 2 becomes 20. Plus, don't forget to put the plus sign, children. You want to put the plus sign. 8. 8 is in 1's place. So 8 is equal to 20 plus 8, 28. This side you want to write 2 tens, 8 ones. 2 tens plus 8 ones. Understood? Like that only you want to finish it. This, how many is there? Today I am going to do 5. Next class I will do 6. Understood? Second one, 67. Now you can do it, no, children? 7 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place. 6 becomes 60 plus 7 is in 1's place, 67. 6 is in 10's place, 6 tens plus 7 ones. Which number next? 92. 9 is in 10's place, 2 is in 1's place. So 90 plus 2 is equal to 92. We get 92. 90 plus 2, what will come? 92. Here 9 tens plus 2 ones. 88. Ones, tens. In the circle you want to write ones, tens also. Without plus plus you want to write. Don't write. You want to write plus sign also. Understood, children? Don't forget to write plus sign. 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. 8 tens plus 8 ones. Understood, children? This is the expanded form. Write the number in expanded form. They given 47. You want to write the expand form. See, 40 plus 7 is 47. 4 tens plus 7 ones. 28. Here also 20 plus 8. 28. This number you want to expand. Understood? 2 tens plus 8 ones. 67. 60 plus 7, 67. 6 tens plus 7 ones. 90 plus 2, 92. 9 tens plus 2 ones. 88. 80 plus 8, 88. 8 tens plus 80 ones. Today we finished 4, no children. Next class I will do 6. Understood, children? I think all are got textbook. See, for mathematics, for maths, 2 notebooks are there. In book list, check it, children. Book list, 2 notebooks are there. 2 notes are there. One is classwork. Another one is homework. Understood? For 2 notes, one is classwork, one is homework. 2 horizontal line notebook. Horizontal. Horizontal line. Classwork you want to write in 1 note. Homework is you want to write in the 1 note. Understood? Now I will give homework. Homework means you want to write in the homework note only. Don't go to classwork. Shall I rub, children? See, open your homework note, write neatly, maths, first line you want to write like this, maths, first line. See, maths homework, 1 time you want to write. In second line, horizontal line is like this only, no children? You want to write, leave 1 line and write the numbers 1 to 100. 1 to 100, 1 time. Maths homework note. Open maths homework note. In first line you want to write maths homework 1 time. Leave 1 line and go to next line. Write the numbers 1 to 100, 1 time. Adding this one. See, while writing, don't leave the line for numbers, children. You want to write continuously, you want to write. Use scale. In 1 page only, you want to finish 1 to 100. See, horizontal book like this only, no children. Here 1 line, here 1 line is there. See, here 1 line. Like this only, no, in your maths homework note, you want to leave here, leave 1 line and write here, write the numbers 1 to 100. How many times I give? Only 1 time you want to write. Understood? While writing, don't leave the line. Continuously 1, 2, 3, 4, like this you want to write. Don't leave the line. Use scale for line. Don't leave line without dirty handwriting. Don't write in dirty handwriting. Sharp your pencil and write neatly. Homework. Homework note 20 you want to write. We have 2 notebooks, no children. One is classwork. Another one is homework. Understood now? This one you want to write in the homework note 1 time. Next class, be ready with your textbook only, children. I will do textbook. Page next exercise will go. Understand? Thank you, children.